Welcome back. It was a win for the Trump administration as the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, for now, will allow the president's asylum policy that limits requests from Northern Triangle countries to move forward. The ruling, however, making it so border officials in California and Arizona will not be able to apply the new rule against asylum seekers, while agents in Texas and New Mexico can. Acting CBP Commissioner Mark Morgan joins us now to react. Good morning. Mark, I want to ask you, how will this impact things? What does this mean to you in the overall goal of trying to secure our border?
Well, I think what the American people need to understand is just how complicated these legal proceedings are. So sometimes we get enjoined nationally, and then in this case, we were initially, and then we have a partial victory where we can institute this partially. But in those states, Texas and New Mexico, where we can institute this now, this will be a game changer. It will allow us to absolutely institute an initiative now we truly believe will help stem the flow of illegal immigration.
Commissioner, if you could choose what to add to further help you control these numbers, what would you request? What would you like to see happen?
Well, the first thing we've been saying, Griff, you and I have talked about a long time is, look, we're doing some great stuff with the government of Mexico and the government of Guatemala, and they've stepped up in unprecedented ways to really look at this as a regional crisis. And in some ways, it's a game changer right now. But at the end of the day, it's not a durable, sustainable solution. We still need Congress to get together to pass meaningful legislation to address the loopholes in our system. That is the only way we're going to truly address this crisis.
Well, speaking of addressing things, Commissioner, I've got to ask you, and I travel a lot, so I do not like travel delays, but there was an incident at airports across the country from JFK here all the way out to the West Coast. Your system crashed, causing huge lines, frustrated passengers, for chaos for immigration officials who were unable to process people. You can see here in New York, you can see the upset passengers. What happened?
So it's frustrating, and we're just as frustrated that happened. What we can say is we have no indication that there's any intentional hacking or any criminal activity involved in this. This is a straightforward kind of computer glitch. On the good side, we had our technical response team that got on it immediately. They restored the programs, got them back online across the board. We're still investigating exactly what the root cause is. We're frustrated too, but we're going to try to get better to make sure that doesn't happen in the future.
And one more topic, Commissioner, I want to get to you. Google employees are wading back into politics, pressuring the company to no longer work with ICE and Border Patrol. Your reaction, sir?
I tell you, that kind of rhetoric is frustrating. It's absolutely irresponsible. It's misinformed. It's not factual. And a lot of that is just straight out lies. Let me tell you, American people, what the truth is. I just returned from El Paso, where I toured a 175,000 square foot facility to help with overcrowding. It's one of several across the southwest border. What the truth is, and when they walk in there, they're going to see that these families and children are receiving hot meals. You're going to see children sitting in front of flat screen TVs watching cartoons. They're getting medical attention. That's the truth. This kind of rhetoric is irresponsible, reckless, and it's a lie.
Thank you, Acting Commissioner. I've seen it myself. Thank you for being here. We've reached out to Google and have not received a statement back. If we get one, we will give it to you.